Hey guys, Janus here. Welcome to another Reading with Janus. As some of you might know, I'm a vegan and I recommend a vegan-based lifestyle for anybody looking to improve their performance in the bedroom. One of the hardest parts about being a vegan, though, is finding good recipes. So I'm going to share something that really helped me. It's called Forks Over Knives. This book has hundreds of recipes that anybody looking to embrace a plant-based lifestyle can start using immediately to start turning their life around. Besides the update for the book, what is my next big video going to be? Well, I thought about it, and I've decided my next video is going to be about which body types have the easiest time putting on size below the belt. And that's going to be released Friday, might even be released Saturday. It all kind of depends how the deadlines look, how much writing is involved still, and how filming goes. But it should definitely be up by at least Saturday afternoon. But if I can, I'm going to try and release it Friday like always. Well guys, that's it for me. I hope everyone's doing well. Janus out.